our USD Swiss franc, by the way, first of all, a bullish move, a fall. As we can see, I'm trying to analyze it. A bullish move, and now a fall, by the way, having this M movements, by the way, and we've actually seen a breakout, right? And I'm taking here, I was seen as a fall, a retracement, and we actually continue to go bearish on our USD to our Swiss franc. Now on our index, as we can see, our index too was falling, especially on our 4-hour time frame. A lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. We are now waiting for a lower lows again on our USD index. So as we are having that lower lows on our USD index, we should actually be seeing it show on our USD Swiss franc, especially on our daily time frame. And this pair is volatile, by the way. It moves very well, very, very fast and much. That is why. So we are expecting a fall on our USD to our Swiss franc. By the way, I think the retracement for our USD Swiss franc is about to be over, or it's already over. But let's wait for a little bit of a push up. Takeouts are around 0.96470. Then we can actually now consider taking our shots on our USD Swiss franc. So that is what we will plan to happen on the 5th of this month. So thank you. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.